Let's start. Best of luck.
The professor requested that the essays submitted by Monday morning, A is B, B, C was. During the meeting, Aisha pointed several errors in the report. A, out, B, on, C, up. After dinner, Marco helped his mother the dishes. A with B for CC of A. The research team working on a new project about renewable energy. A is B, RC were. Not only the manager approved the idea, but she also funded it. A did B was C has. The students congratulated Priya winning the scholarship. A on B for C in. If Daniel earlier, he wouldn't have missed the first question. A arrives, B arrived, C had arrived. The family planning to visit Kenya this summer. A is B, are C were. The boss asked that everyone present for the morning briefing. A is B, B, C was. Emma and Luis decided to put their travel plans until winter. A, off B, out, C, in T20. The teacher emphasized that students pay attention during the lecture. A should be, must see are. The manager is responsible overseeing all financial reports. A of B for C to. After cleaning, Sarah put the decorations for the party. A on B, out C, up. The committee divided on the new policy. A was B, were C, are. Rarely we see such enthusiasm from first-year students. A. Does B do C did? Ken reminded his friend bringing the study materials. A for B of CE, about. If the weather better, we would go for a picnic. A where B was C is. The children were told to turn the TV before dinner. A off B, out C, over. The staff discussing new ideas for the annual conference. A is B, RC was. The teacher requested that no student the class before the bell. A leaves B, left C, leave. May looked forward meeting her new classmates on the first day. A to B for C, on. The marketing team decided to carry a survey before launching the product. A, out B, off C, on. Seldom a student submits such a flawless thesis. A has B, do C, does. The kids helped their father the groceries from the car. A, bring B, carrying C, to bring. The manager demanded that all reports finalized today. A are B, were C, B. Julia couldn't put with the noise any longer. A, up, B, up, with C, off. Neither the teacher nor the students aware of the schedule change. A was B, where C is. Diego succeeded, convincing the board to extend the deadline. A on B in C at Tanuitiuhaiti. The family gathered the living room to watch a movie. A. On B. In C. At. It's essential that every employee familiar with the new software, A is B, B, C, was. The team of analysts presenting the quarterly results tomorrow. A are B is C, were. Priya apologized being late to the online class. A of B for C to. No sooner the lights go out than the children started laughing. A did B do C had. After finishing homework, Nina took care her younger brother. A for B of C with. The new employee impressed everyone her attention to detail. A by B of C for. If I would double-check the data before submission. A and B were C was. The teacher called the test after realizing a printing error. A. Off. B. Up. C. Over. Each of the players doing their best to win. A. Are B. Were C. Is. The neighbors complained the loud music last night. A to B about C on. The manager suggested that the proposal be rewritten for clarity. A is B, BC was. The faculty introducing a new grading system next term. A is B, are C, were. The CEO looked to expanding the company overseas. A, up B, forward C, forward to. Hardly ever I seen such a dedicated student. A. Have B. Had C. Has. Sarah asked her brother to clean his room before guests arrived. A. Up. B. Out. C. On. The employees were proud, completing the project ahead of time. A for B of C on. If Alex more careful, he wouldn't make such mistakes. A where B was C is. The teacher went the answers one by one to ensure clarity. A through B over C by. A number of students applied for the new internship program. A has B, have C, was. The principal insisted that the hall decorated before the event. A, BB is C, was. The children decided to take painting as a new hobby. A, up B on C over.
Thank you so much for watching. Drop your target scores in the comments.